Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix you require permission from Trustedinstaller exe in Windows. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Head over to search and type in File Explorer, then click on it. On the left hand side, scroll down and select this PC. Find the drive where Windows is installed. It will have the Windows logo on it. Double click on the drive, then open the Windows folder. Scroll down until you find the folder named Servicing. Double-click on it and inside look for Trusted Installer. Right-click on Trusted Installer, then click on Properties. Go to the Security tab and click Advanced. In the Advanced settings, click on Change next to the owner. If you don't know your computer's username, go back to File Explorer. Click on this PC. Now open your Windows drive. Open the users folder. Your username will be listed as one of the folders here. For example, if your username is Hikma, that's the name to use. Now return to the Change Owner window. Type in your username and click Check Names to confirm. Then click OK. After that, click OK again to apply changes. Finally, restart your computer and the issue should be resolved. This was for today's tutorial. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video.